chlorine bomb is a small-scale explosive device that occurs due to the extreme amounts of pressure caused by the reaction of chlorine and rubbing alcohol. When the chlorine and alcohol are mixed in a closed container, the pressure rapidly increases and eventually shatters the container. This is mostly done by teenagers just for fun. It can be dangerous, so make sure you are very careful while making one. The materials you will need for this process are simple. There are three: chlorine tablets, rubbing alcohol, and an empty 2-liter bottle. You're going to start off by having an empty bottle, and then you pour each ingredient in: the chlorine tablet and the rubbing alcohol. You're going to have to crush up the chlorine tablets in order to fit through the top of the bottle, but once you fit the crushed up chlorine and about 2 cups of rubbing alcohol, the reaction will begin. You want to close the cap right after the chlorine is dumped into the bottle. The chlorine mixed with the isopropanol creates massive amounts of chlorine gas. The gas builds up at a rapid rate, which means if done properly, your chlorine bomb will explode in about a minute, sometimes more, sometimes less. Make sure you are not standing close to the bomb as it is reacting, because it can explode at any time. Once the pressure is too high, either the bottom of the bottle will shatter open or another weak part to the bottle will. The explosion does not cause damage to things around it. It is mainly just a very loud noise from the rapid escape of pressure through the hole in the bottle. Me and Brendan are now going to show how to make one.
Alright, now we just got to crush up the tablets a little bit so we can make it fit through the top of the bottle.
Yeah, pretty much. Ah, there it is. Careful not to crush your finger instead. So much fun.
Alright, now that all the chlorine's crushed up, we're going to put it in the bottle. Getting it all in there. Alright, now all the chlorine's crushed up in the bottle, so now we're going to add the rubbing alcohol. Go.
Say that'll be about right.
You gotta close it up. Now you just sit and wait.
Just shake it up.
Pressure is now building up in the bottle, which will make it explode. Hope that kid's not walking this way. go. Bubbling is occurring, as we can see. And here we go. And there you go. As the car passes. Good timing. Alright, over here you have a broken bottle. See that baby's busted up bad. The entire side and front is messed up. And that is how you make a chlorine bomb, folks.